Hello friends, welcome to Jquery tutorial. In this tutorial, we will see how to add Jquery library into our web page. To use Jquery, you need to download the Jquery library and include it on the pages you wish to use it. The Jquery library is a single JavaScript file and you reference to it using the HTML script tag. This is same as adding external JavaScript file into your page. In your head section, just write script tag, then source, and the name of the file. Here we didn't use type is equal to text JavaScript because this is not required in HTML5. JavaScript is default scripting language in HTML5 and all modern browsers. Now, how to download this Jquery file? On jquery.com site, you can find these two versions, productive and development version. Productive version is for live website because it has been minified and compressed. And development version, this is for testing and development. This is uncompressed and readable code. Here, from this jquery.com website, there are two versions, productive and development. You can download it, productive version, and then you can save it as JavaScript source code file. Okay. There is one alternative download also. If you don't want to download and host Jquery yourself, you can include it from a CDN, Content Delivery Network. Google and Microsoft both provide this content delivery network and they are providing Jquery library for your website. To use Jquery from Google or Microsoft, you can use this following code: head, then script, and then go through this link. Okay, so here our latest version of Jquery. So you can directly use this file and same with Microsoft CDN. Okay, what is different between these two, CDN and hosted Jquery yourself? There is one big advantage of using the hosted Jquery from Google or Microsoft. Many users already have downloaded Jquery from Google or Microsoft when visiting another site. As a result, it will be loaded from cache when they visit your site, which leads to faster loading time. Also, most CDNs will make sure that once a user requests a file from it, it will be served from the server closest to them, which also leads to faster loading time. Let's see one example for Jquery. Here in exercise file, I have put this jquery.js and this is my code of HTML. I am using this jquery.js here, and this hide is the function of this jQuery. So it says that if I will click on this paragraph, then this will hide. We will discuss in detail in our next tutorial. Just let's see the output. I'm going to click on this and it's disappear. So we can do this by simple function of Jquery.